Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode, your go-to place for Flutter tutorials. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we will learn all about the text button widget in Flutter, what it is, when to use, and how to customize it for your apps. So let's get started. The text button is one of the simplest types of button in Flutter. As the name suggests, it displays text only without any elevation or border. It commonly used for low priority actions like cancel, skip, or small actions inside dialogues, snack bars, and cards. Let's see at this simple example how you can use text button in Flutter app. It requires two main properties, onPressed and child. OnPress is the callback when the button is tapped, and the child is usually a text widget, but you can also use any widget you want. Now let's look at the properties of text button. First of all, on long press. This callback is called whenever you press the button for long duration. You can also customize the text button using style property. Here you can give foreground color, background color, padding, shape, and also elevation. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to DevCode for more Flutter tips, widgets, and tutorials. And also let me know in the comments which widget you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Khuda Hafiz.